Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are having issues with the comments on my YouTube channel or some other YouTube channels, YouTube has come out to the community to say that there is a problem with the display of comments for some. It depends on the channels, it depends on some users, so it could happen on some, could be okay on others. And it has to do with something going wrong with YouTube's comment section. So if for some reason my channel's comments are not showing up correctly, first of all, I just want to restate the rules here. The comments, some people sometimes take a little bit of time to see their comments, or sometimes they're wondering why their comments isn't there as soon as they've posted it. For the most part, the comments on the channel here are being moderated. That means that me and others are at work looking at the comments and letting them go through. This does not mean any type of trying to remove anything that is not of our liking. It's not really like that. It's mostly because there's too many comments that are not, I would say, written in a way that is proper, and people get offended easily. So it's just a cleanup more than anything else. I mean, it's not because you're not of my opinion that it doesn't go through. It doesn't work like that. I try to be as fair as possible. And of course, bad words are not accepted. So if there's too many curse words in your comment, it might not go through, not because of the comments. And sad, because sometimes the comments are not too bad. It's just, or even good, it's just that there's too many curse words in it and the way they're explained. So it means it takes also a certain amount of time. It could take minutes, it could take a few hours sometimes. But if you don't see your comment immediately, it will eventually appear. It's just that it takes the time to be moderated with all the comments that go through. For the rest, if you don't see our comments today or in the next few days, I guess YouTube is messing up something that was working half well, basically, because there's a lot of glitches on YouTube, and there's a lot of things that people, one of the comments I get the most is notifications. They have clicked for the notification to know when videos are online, yet it doesn't work, and they don't get the notifications, and they have to check manually themselves to notice that, oh, look at that, he posted a bunch of videos, but I never got a notification. That is also something that doesn't work super well. So anyways, if you saw your comments before and now for some reason you don't see them, YouTube is working on it. They say that there is a glitch right now going on with some channels and some comments. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.